Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to the channel where nostalgia meets luxury. Every bite tells a story. So, for today's recipe, I have a chicken gravy in mind. I've been making this gravy for quite some time now, and I thought I'll share this with you guys. For this gravy, we're going to be using a good bit of onions. So, for 1 kilo of chicken, I will be using 1 kilo of onions. I've already got my onions cut over here, and it's cut in long slices. And the rest of the ingredients I'll tell you as we go along. Let's get started. We're gonna grab some oil, pour it a little. Yep, once our oil is hot, and I bet it is. I have it on medium heat, by the way. Now let's add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 pods of cardamom. Then I have a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 4 bay leaves, small leaves. Then I have about half a stick of cinnamon, 5 clove buds, and about half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, and a quarter teaspoon of finely ground nutmeg. Let's start off by adding our bay leaves first, and then we will add all the spices one by one. Just drop them as a bunch like I've done here and fry it for a few minutes. Place it here. We'll fry these ingredients until you start getting the smell of the cumin seeds. It doesn't take very long to get there. Once that's done, we can add our onions. We'll cook the onions until they are soft, but we won't caramelize them. Give it a good stir so that the ingredients mix very well and are cooked evenly. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some salt. I'm adding a little bit of salt, like 1 teaspoon to get started. Then I will add a teaspoon of chili powder. This is according to your preference. Next up, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Reduce the turmeric powder to quarter if you're going to add half a teaspoon of chili powder. Let's grab some almonds. Now, while our onions and spice mixture is getting ready, we'll go and add a very special ingredient, and that is blanched almonds to this gravy today. I'm taking 2 hands full of this. We need to soak our almonds. I'm going to add a bit of hot water. I'm going to make a paste out of this. So let's keep this aside. Let's check on our onions quickly. It's not ready yet. It needs to cook a bit more. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of water. Just enough water to continue cooking. Now let's get our ginger garlic paste ready. We'll need a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I've got my garlic. Let me go ahead and add this. We're gonna pound the ginger and garlic into tiny pieces. All these measurements are for about 1,100 grams of chicken that we are going to be cooking today. After adding the ginger and garlic mixture to the onions, we'll continue cooking for a few more minutes to ensure that all of the ingredients are well cooked. Also, keep stirring now and then to make sure that there is no burning at the bottom. Next up, we will take this mixture and keep it aside and allow it to cool down. Now let's go ahead and grab our chicken and apply deep cuts to them. A single cut will do. This gravy tastes great if you use chicken pieces with bones. Let it cool down. Now we can grind our almonds into a nice fine paste. Make sure you add a good bit of water so that it is well ground. Keep this aside. Gravy is going to be quite thick, which makes it perfect for rice, rotis, or pasta. Yes, it goes great with pasta too. Now we can grind our onions, ginger, and garlic into a fine paste. Add a little bit of water if you need to. Keep this paste aside. Next, grab the same deep frying pan and add your almond milk paste to it. Let it cook for a few minutes and then you can add your chicken pieces to it. Again, cook for a few more minutes and stir it a little bit. When that gets done, we can add our onions, ginger, and garlic mixture to it. With this done, we will cook for another 20 to 25 minutes or until our chicken pieces are well cooked. Now would be a great time to taste and find out if your salt is correct. We'll continue cooking with the lid on. If you tried my recipes, there will come a time where you won't have to go to restaurants anymore. We order dishes like this in the restaurants all the time, but when you make it at home, it tastes different. If you like this recipe, give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel and catch me in my future videos. On that note, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.